This video tutorial I will explain what is a firewall. Imagine your computer or network is like a house and the internet is the outside world. A firewall is like a security guard at the entrance of your house. Firewall job is to decide who or what is allowed to come in and go out. So in computer terms, firewall is a piece of software or hardware that acts as a barrier between your computer or network and the internet. Firewall monitors and controls the incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Just like a security guard checks the IDs and only allows authorized people to enter your house. Like that, firewall examines data packets traveling between your computer and the internet. And firewall decides which packets are safe and allowed to pass through and which packets are potentially harmful and should be blocked. Essentially, firewall helps to protect your computer or network from unauthorized access, malicious software, and other online threats by acting as a gatekeeper, filtering out potentially dangerous traffic while allowing legitimate data to pass through safely. Now we will see how firewall works. The first point is protection from unwanted guests. The firewall helps keep out unwanted visitors like viruses, hackers, or other malicious software from getting into your computer or your network. Second point is controlled access. Firewall decides which apps or programs on your computer are allowed to communicate with the internet. Firewall is like a security guard checking the credentials of everyone entering or leaving your house. Third point is privacy and security. Think of firewall as a barrier that protects your personal information. Firewall makes sure the sensitive data like your passwords or bank details does not leak out to the internet without your permission. Fourth point is traffic cop. Firewall acts as a traffic cop, directing and managing the flow of the data between your computer and the internet. This ensures that everything runs smoothly and securely. In simple terms, a firewall is your computer's guardian, keeping the bad stuff out and allowing only the good stuff in and out. It is a crucial part of your digital security and it is working silently in the background to keep you and your information safe. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.